Good morning to all students. In previous class we had discussed about the money exchange at the last moment, and we had done the simple problems related to the money exchange, which we can solve by two way, one by using the unitary method and another by chain rule. I think students can understood more easily and they can do the money exchange problem by the chain rule. So one more question we will I will give you. For example, suppose if pound sterling 7 is equals to US dollar S 11 and US dollar 2 is equals to RS rupees, Nepalese rupees, yes, 213. How many pounds can be exchanged for RS Nepalese rupees 11,750? Okay, suppose this is our question. In this question there is, if pound sterling 7 is equals to, yes, US dollar 11, one term is this, another US dollar 2 is equals to RS 213, and we have to exchange this from this Nepalese rupees, yes, 1,17,150. how many pounds can be exchanged? For this problem you can solve this one also by using both method, but by chain rule method if you solve it will be easy for you. So how many pounds can be exchanged for rupees this 1,17,150? For it, if you suppose here let, okay, let X, suppose pound sterling X can be, okay, exchanged, you can let it, okay, can be exchanged X, okay, pound sterling can be exchanged for RS 11,750. you can suppose it's in simple way also, X is equals to this much only, okay. Then now by chain rule you can use here. Then at first if you write this one, okay, as you wish, anyone you can take this condition, first condition, then also you can write, yes, pound sterling 7 is equals to US dollar 11, but you have to keep in mind only that yesterday I had taught you, if X is equals to Y and Y, then here if in RHS if you are putting the Y term, then before, yes, writing this second line you have to keep in mind that if in first line, yes, first equation, if in RHS there is a Y term, then in second equations also there should be a Y term while starting in the left. This should be, yes, same cross one. Therefore here you are writing the US dollar 11, then here if is second condition you are trying to write whether dollar is here or not. If this RHS is equals to dollar here, then you have to first write the dollar, but here is in a sequence, so you can write 2 is equals to RS 213 this way. And now at last here is Nepalese rupees, so you have to write here Nepalese rupees. What we are letting here, Nepalese rupees, yes, 1,17,150 is equal means pound sterling X, so you write RS 17, yes, 11,750 is equals to pound sterling X, this one. At last see, here is also pound sterling and here also pounds, same, it should be same, okay. By the chain rule if you are doing this is, if unit are not same here, yes, then there may be you are doing the wrong, okay, then again you have to do, okay. Now what we write, this multiplication, yes, 7 into 2 into this term 11,750 is equals to this 11 into 213 into x. Now if you multiply it, yes, 7 to the 14 into 11 7150, and this part here multiplication it comes on this side, then it should be divide is equals to x as it is, right? Now if you multiply these two, yes, multiply it, these two if you multiply and these two multiply and divide it, you will get the x is equals to how much? Okay, you will do, okay, 700 I think. Yes, do it by the calculator. If you have the calculator, then you can use here, okay, just you can try, okay. Now therefore at last how much? Pound sterling 700, yeah, can be exchanged, okay, exchanged, you can write yourself, okay, this one. So in this way, by using the chain rule, we can solve the questions, okay. We can exchange the money by comparing, yes sir, by using this chain rule we can solve it, okay. Now this one just I am doing one example, okay, as I teach you yesterday also. Now today we will discuss on profit and loss, okay. See, I am trying to give you one simple technique how to find the CP or SP. If the CP, yes, CP and SP means, you know, cost price and selling price. If cost price here and profit percent is given there, at that time you use the forward calculation, okay, for it. And if SP is given, yes, then at that time or profit or loss is given, then if you can use the backward calculation. What is the meaning of this calculation? If you use this technique, within a minute you can find the answer. I am giving you a one static technique. Suppose if, for example, you can suppose CP is equals to 100, suppose given, and profit is equals to suppose 10% given, and you have to find the SP. Without using formula, how can find easily? Yes, CP given 100, profit is given 10%, and SP we have to find, okay. Then for the SP, here is CP, how much given? 100 into profit is 10%, yes, then 100 plus 10 you do 110, yes, by 100 you do, then easily cancel it, and 110, this is the SP. We can find within a minute, see, okay. And suppose if SP is given, yes, SP suppose given 200, and suppose profit is suppose 10%, yes. Now you have to find the CP. How you find? Yes, easily forward calculation, yes, you are doing here downside 100, more is upper. In this condition, you for the SP you must keep in mind that more should be upper side, denominator, more in numerator you think, okay. Or you can think, you can keep in mind that 100 in denominator, okay, 100 in denominator, either this or this for the SP. And now here in this, yes, see, SP is 200, profit percent 10%, you have to find the CP. How you find? Yes, CP for SP is 200, yes, in a 100 if you add 10, 110, then converse, do just 100 upside and 110 down, yes, you do, this will be cancelled, 2000 divided by 11, you can divide in 2000 by 11, then how much you will get? 1819 by 11, yes, this is our CP, cost price, see, very easily, okay. What I am trying to teach you here. Where is our stick? Yes, here. See, hello sir. Okay, look. CP, for CP forward calculation. Yes, you whatever the percentage profit percent given, you add it 100. Okay, 100 profit 10% means 10 by 100. Yes, out of 100 10% profit, it means you think. So 100 plus 10 do 110 by 100. This is the CP. You are giving, yes, finding the SP. Okay, very easily. Okay, in an examination you can get the answer easily. Okay, these are the problems related to your daily life activities. So okay, without using formula, this is the formula. If you are thinking, yes, what I am trying to give you this forward and backward calculation for the CP. Yes, CP, for the CP you have to less is more. Yes, less is on denominator, means 100 is on denominator, or 100 in yes, less is upside, or 100 in denominator, you can think. Okay, here more धेरै माथि थोरै तल, and here थोरै माथि धेरै तल. Yes, in this way, if we can try, then easily we can find. These are the condition of profit percent. If suppose loss given, yes, then how can find? See the example. Anyone asks you, yes, suppose loss given, then yes, loss given, then how to find? Suppose CP 100, yes, and I think tomorrow not, sir, and CP 100, then loss percent is 10%, suppose given. How to find the SPS? At that time, just backward you do. Okay, this for, yes, SP backward calculation, if you do backward means minus you do. Okay, for the backward SP, this suppose CP 100 into, now from 100 minus the 10, then 90 by 100. Yes, 100 cancel, 90. This is the SP. Within a second you can find the answer. If SP given, suppose, yes, suppose 1000 given SP, and loss given you, suppose same 10% given. Yes, you have to find the CP. Yes, for the CP 1000, yes, into, now from the 100, if subtract 100 by 90, yes, just opposite. Yes, here less more, yes, more down, less up, here more up, less down, you do, and cancel out this. Now if you multiply 100, yes, by this and divide by 9, then you will get, I think, 1 by 9. In this way you will get the within a. Okay, very easily you can solve the question. Okay, this is the, I am giving you this technique. So why I am giving that? You can find easily, yes, question answers. For that I am giving you technique. For interesting, yes, you can, but in examination, you know, yes, paper checking are on the marking basis. Yes, there, if you are not reading the formula, then if same copy, yes, two persons if check and obtaining marks are different, yes, it means depend upon the checking the system, how they are. Some are, yes, finding the what are the more there are right things, yes, and some are what there is a mistake, yes, then depend upon that also. So you do by the system. If you think here this is the, yes, CP, yes, it means this, how it coming 100, yes, minus, yes, 10% means what, loss, yes, by 100. This is the formula, yes, you can derive by this. Yes, this forward backward calculation what I am teaching, from it you can find formula yourself. See, yesterday, yes, in previous classes I am given you formula. In this technique, if you go, you can derive yourself formula. See, here is a formula, inside it there is a formula. Whether I am teaching, yes, forward backward, here is a formula inside it. See, here also, yes, here is a formula, yes, all, yes, SP given, SP into, it means what, 100 by, 90 means what? 100 minus loss percent. Yes, this is the formula. You can derive yourself. See, yes, for the SP also you are deriving the formula. For the CP also you are, yes, in this way from it. This you can, if you compare it, yes, compare. Okay, just you can compare and you can develop yourself the concepts. This chapter is not, yes, this chapter is very easy chapter because it is totally related with your daily activities. Yes, might be you are from the business, yes, doing, then also you can solve. Okay, let us do one more example. Yes, one more example. Do suppose I give you, suppose Rita, yes, Rita purchase, yes, Rita purchase a cycle by, yes, from 4RS, how much? 4,000. Okay, suppose 4,000. Okay, and purchased and sold to Ram. Okay, Ram at 10% profit, 10% profit, and Ram sold to Shyam. Okay, suppose Shyam at 80, suppose 20% loss, 20% loss, and Shyam sold to Hari. Okay, suppose Hari at 40% profit. Okay, profit. How much Hari, okay, Hari paid for it. Okay, see the question. Ram purchased a cycle for RS 1000. Ram purchased by 4,000. Okay, 4,000, and sold to Rita purchased and sold to Ram at 10% profit, and Ram sold to Shyam at 20% loss. Now Shyam sold to Hari at 40% profit. Then how much Hari pay for it? Okay, how much Hari pay? Okay, just see this question. If this type of question also anyone asks you within a minute, how can you give the answer? See, by this forward and backward calculation you will give the answer within half minute. See, 4,000 by 4,000 purchased, profit, yes, profit, then 110 by 100, and loss 20%, it means 20 separate, then 80 by 100, and now profit 40%, then 40 add 140 by 100. Now you can calculate it. 20 cancel, yes, 20, yes, this cut, yes. Now this 20 also cancel here. Now here remaining 4 into 11 into 8 into 14. Now you will get 11 for the 44, 8 and 4,928. Yes, 8 for the 32, 2 4 2 ja 8, 1 ja 8, yes, 1 1 2, 4 8 1 ja 8, 1 9 4. Yes, this is in this way you can find at last. See here, purchase means this one is the cost price, yes, and profit 10% by forward calculation, yes, then yes, profit means up, yes, forward means plus do 100 plus 10 by 100. This one is now total CP for whom? Ram. Now Ram sold to Shyam, then loss means minus 100 minus 20, then 80 by 100. Now this part, yes, this part is the CP for whom? Shyam. Now Shyam sold to whom? Hari. Now Hari, for the Hari, what is the Yes, selling price you have to find. Yes, pay for what? Selling means selling for how much sold. Yes, price Sam, then this into now profit, he is taking the profit of 40%, then 100 plus 40 and then divide by 100, you will get totally in this way. This question, this type of also problem you can find within by this way. Okay, if you, this is the one, yes, concept I am trying to give you. Okay, now let us write one question. How much does a person pay for an article labeled Rs rupees 2500 at a discount of 12% with 13% VAT? This is the question. Okay, you can write suppose. Okay, now I am going towards the long type questions. Within 2-3 days we discuss the short questions, 1 marks type and 2 marks. Now these questions belongings to the 4 marks if asked in examination. Okay, then it will have 4 marks, long type question. It is a very easy question. How much does a person pay for an article labeled Rs, yes, rupees 2500 at a discount of 12% with 13% VAT? Okay, suppose you went to the market and there is, you are trying to purchase one article. Okay, there is a written the price, you asked to the shopkeeper and he told there is a written the price 2500 you see. Okay, now you are asking for the discount to the shopkeeper there, yes, where you are going to buy. Okay, where you are going to pay. Now you ask for discount, then he or she give you the 12% discount. Yes, this is the mark price, yes, labeled there, and now you are asking for a discount, then 12% discount is given to you. Now you can deduct from this, then you will get the discount amount, what discount is given to you, and you subtract the discount amount from the MP, then you will get what? SP, selling price. And keep always in mind VAT is added in selling price. Yes, if mark price is given, then discount is subtracted from that and we get the SP, then we add the VAT, then we get the SP with VAT at last. If VAT, discount is not given, VAT is labeled, at that type of question also we solved yesterday. Yes, if mark price given, discount not, VAT is given, then we can add their VAT, okay, without subtracting the discount, because discount is not given at that time. So in this way, if you draw this way a rough sketch, then it will be easy to solve you the question. Okay, so here what are the given? You marked price given, or you can write the labeled. Okay, labeled price also given in this question. So marked price given rupees 2500 and discount rate is given. Okay, discount rate is given 12% and VAT rate is given to you, okay, 13%, and we have to find the SP with VAT. What we have to find at first? Okay, you read the question and what are given and what you have to find. Okay, if you find this one, then only you can solve the question easily. Now discount amount you can find easily. Yes, discount amount. Yes, discount amount means what? From discount percent of what? mart price you can do if you try to use the formula, or you can write directly also here, okay, 12% of 2500, you, because from this 2500 discount is given to you, okay. Then and now here if you divide yes by 100 into 2500, if you will do, then 20 cancel, now 25 into 10 to 50, 25 into 50, 300 I think, yes, 300 is our discount amount we get. Now from this discount amount, if you subtract from MP, you will get the SP, okay, selling price. See here, okay, see here, okay, I think you have to drop this. See, now you find the selling price from MP. If you minus the discount, yes, n always left, and 2500 minus 300, then you will get 2200 SP. Now you find the VAT amount, yes, or you can find SP with VAT directly by using the formula, okay. One by one step also you, if you go, then also it will be easy. VAT amount means VAT 13%, 13% of what, 2200, yes, because VAT always added in 2200, so you can find in this way, then you will get the VAT 200, 3 to the 6, 86, yes, VAT. Now at last SP with VAT, then SP selling price plus VAT amount you do, then you will get the 2200 plus 286 is the VAT amount, then at last 22486, this is the answer, selling price with VAT in this way. And by the that forward backward calculation also you can find, yes, by that means mart price given, discount means what, suppose CP given, loss and we have to find the SP, then CP is written, CP less than 100 minus 10%, suppose less than 190 divided by 100, get the SP. That type of mind also you can use here. If you forgot the formula, then also you can find the discount amount and SP, whatever you are trying to find, okay. You in this way you can solve these types of problems, okay. We written, see here once again, mart price given, discount rate given, VAT percent given, SP with VAT asked, discount amount we find, yes, then SP we get by subtracting the discount MP, we get the SP. Now by the SP we can, this is 1 2 3 4 step, by 2 step also you can do here, okay. SP you find mart price minus discount percent of MP, then you will get the SP, and SP with VAT is equals to SP plus VAT percent of SP. These two formula if you use, then within a 2 step you can find the answer. But I am not doing this by that formula, because you are by one step if you do, you can understood it very easily, so I am doing in this way, okay. Okay, now next question, let us see. For example, suppose another example, let us take one example, very easy, yes, many times asked this question. If the okay cost price of 50 pence is equal to the selling price of 40 pence of same type, find the profit percentage, okay, profit percent, okay. Suppose this is the question, okay. If see, if the cost price of 50 pence is equal to the selling price of 40 pence, then find the profit percent. It means you can suppose here, let cost price of 50 pence is equals to RSX suppose. Then selling price of 40 pence also is equals to RSX. Yes. Then selling price of 1 pen, then X by 40. Yes, for 1, if yes, divide, because you are less here, then their side also less. So SP of 50 pence, here 50 CP, so 50 SP also make, okay, like term. Then X by 40 into 50, then it will be 0 0 cancel, 5X by 4. Then C, CP of 50 pen X and SP of 50 pen 5X by 4. Now you can find the profit percentage is equals to what? SP minus CP by CP into 100. If you use this formula, yes, SP is our 5X by 4 minus X and CP is X into 100% you do. Now see here, yes, if you take LCM, then what? X by 5X 4X, yes, X by 4 into X into 100%, X cancel, 100 by 4, it means 25% is our profit. By this formula you are doing, but what I am given you forward and backward calculation, if you do by that way also, you can find very easily answer. Suppose by that way I am giving you, in this space also you can solve it, okay. Yes, SCP, what is CPX you are supposing? Profit is there, how much profit is there? And SP of 50 pen 5X by 4 SP, what I am going to find? CPX into profit is how much? Not given, profit P, right, and 100. You solve, X cancel, 500 divided by 4 is equals to P is equals to 125. So 125 P आया पछी P what we are writing here, that is 100 plus P, the 100 minus do, now you will get 25%. See, by that technique very easily you can solve, okay. In this way, now our time has, a bell has ring, so very less time I am trying to give you more, but time is very less, my dear. Whatever today you understood, you can practice in at your home. Thank you.